In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In the previous video, we discussed 5 scientific facts and proved that facts with the reference of Quran. In this video, we will also discuss 5 more scientific facts and also provide Quranic Ayat to prove that facts. The first fact is atoms. Allah says in Quran, "And nothing is hidden from your Lord. The weight of an atom on earth and in heaven not less than that, nor more but is written in a clear record, the preserved tablet." The reference is Quran, Surah number 10, Ayat number 61. Before Quran was revealed, philosophers thought that the atom was the smallest indivisible component of matter. However, today we know that this is not true. Atoms are composed of electrons, neutrons and protons. Recently, it was discovered that those neutrons and protons are made of quarks. However, 1400 years ago, the Quran contradicted the common knowledge of the time. But modern science proves this Quranic claim that atom is not the smallest particle. The second scientific fact is pain receptors in skin. The skin burning sensation is carried to the brain by nerves in the skin. However, if the nerve endings at outer skin are damaged, no signals would be carried to the brain, hence no burning sensation would be felt. The Quran says that those who will burn in hell, their skins will be replaced with new ones every time it is roasted so that they may feel the pain again. Allah says, those who disbelieves in our verses, we will drive them into a fire. Every time their skins are roasted, we will replace their skin with other new skins, so that they may taste the torture. Allah is ever exalted in might and wise. The reference is Quran, Surah number 4, Ayat number 56. The third fact is wormholes. General relativity explains a mechanism to shrink huge distances into few meters. Albert Einstein called this mechanism bridges in space and time. Today scientists call them wormholes. A wormhole acts as a shortcut connecting two distant regions in the universe. Allah made wormholes so that angels can transport in the universe through them. The Quran describes how angels use them for long distance travel. Today Muslims believe that these wormholes are what scientists call wormholes. Allah says in Quran, someone asked about the penalty that will befall the unbelievers. A penalty that has none to ward of, a penalty from Allah who owns wormholes. The angels and the spirit ascend to him in a day, the measure of which is 50,000 years. The reference is Quran, Surah number 70, Ayat number 1 to 4. The fourth scientific fact is pulsars and black holes. Neutron stars are the remains of exploded stars. As more matter falls into a neutron star, its mass and gravity increases. Ultimately, a point will be reached where gravity would grow so much that not even light will escape it. Thus, a black hole forms. Most neutron stars discovered today are in the form of radio pulsars. They are called radio pulsars because they emit radio waves. These radio waves can be detected and heard by simply connecting a radio telescope to a loudspeaker. Pulsars sound like someone is continuously knocking. In other words, we can hear a pulsar knock, and if matter continues to fall into this pulsar, a black hole will eventually form. Muslims believe that this is what Allah says in Quran. The Quran describes a star by the one who knocks, and that is the one who makes a hole. Allah says in Quran, by the heaven and the knocker. Tariq in Arabic. How could you know about the knocker? The piercing star. Taqib in Arabic. The reference is Quran, Surah number 86, ayat number 1 to 3.